Okay, Sunday morning, it's the next day. My goodness, that took forever to do, but yeah. I am at Dirt Strippers right now, about to wash my car. I'm headed to Cars and Coffee out in Brownsburg. I'm a little late, but I told Melinda and them I was gonna be running late because my car was filthy, but oh man. I really like how it came out. Yeah, I really like how it came out. It was almost absolutely perfect, so I've been sitting here thinking like, how long is he gonna sit and wash this car, but here we go. Badges and things like that. So again, I got this one from American Brothers, and with the fender badges there, I got those from Ford. So big shout out to them. Up, and that's dead, so that's why that didn't work. So now I have to draw it off the natural way. Well, that was short-lived. I had a feeling that was going to come off, but yeah, it was nothing that was just really securing to it, really. Like these points here were fine, but this whole thing is about to come off, actually. Yep. Well, I guess we're going to just... Fuck, the whole bracket came out. All right, so I have to finally wash my car. We finally made it. Some nice cars out here so far. Wide body. Yes, I was.
It looks good as fuck.
It do. I like it a lot.
Yes, look at that.
I got a bunch of junk in my car, so I can't have my windows down. Okay. I like that.
Man,
I like that.
You gotta
I was thinking about it, and I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing, because I had this on the front and it fell off at the car wash.
Yeah.
Because there's not a
3M tape?
I have adhesive on it, but there's not a flat surface on there for
I'll
it
tell you how I
to
did
stick.
mine. Mine was big enough that it spawned 2 of these, so it's not exactly in the spot where the original one was, but it was like right here.
Okay.
How big is it? Yeah, so you can run a piece of really heavy duty 3M tape on both of those and then put it on there.
Because that's what she did for hers, and get it to stick.
I'm glad you found it.
Yeah, I'm glad it came off at the car wash and not on the highway.
Or in the car wash in there somewhere, yeah.
I kind of like it without it though, but I was like, no, I feel like I gotta have it on the front.
Hey.
Look good. That's a lot of money right there. Y'all hiring?
You can't see material right up
turn
on
out good, man.
Yeah, it looked good, man. I had to clean the adhesive off in between the badge there, but yeah, it came out good. I like how it looked. The one on the back's still my favorite though. The one on the back.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the best one. But
Cause I got tires I bought from you. I got another set of tires, and I got a factory tires. I'm like, I need to get rid of it. Yeah, that's it.
yeah, I like that. This Jamel car here. God played me with the rims. Go and just throw them on just because. Got the red flake in there. Trying to see if I can get it on the camera a little bit. That look good. I hope y'all can see what I see. Yeah, there we go. That looks good, man. That looks real good. Got twin Scat right here. Them wheels looking wet. 315s too. First cars and coffee of the year. First cars coffee for me when I made it out too. I couldn't make it to the last one, but yeah, it's the first one. There's a lot of cars out here, man. I've always liked this this Trailblazer. I've always liked this Trailblazer. I wish they would have, you know, kind of kept it going, but I'm sure at the time the direction Chevy was going, it just wasn't a need for it, but I've always liked that, man. Got Melinda at the B. I need to tint my tail lights too. I'll probably end up doing something like this, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end up going back and getting some tape and try to see if I can tape it on there. Always race ready. Love that red interior she got in there. You got the 12-inch screen in there? That's crazy. Knows who this is right here. This is a nice truck, man. It's a good car. I got a 1320 here in the Hellraiser. So I will say initially what I was going to do, I was going to get these 1320 badges instead of the B badges I got. But I wasn't trying to perpetrate things like that. Then I couldn't find a company that could have made them custom for me, so I went ahead and stuck with ones I got. But yeah, I like that 1320. Come with the radios ready to go. Yeah, I like that a lot. edge can. That's a good touch. Stop doing this color here. Infamous Viper. Man, not the car for me, but always appreciate it. So this is the car that made me get my Scat as fast as I did. It's my homegirl Gina whip. 300. I want to say it's a 14, I think. 12 or 14, I can't remember. But now she got BBK throttle body. She trying to make moves. Okay, what we got down here? All right, can't really tell, but yeah, she let me draw this one day. Like I said in the previous video, maybe 40 seconds, 45, maybe a minute. That's how long it took. And yeah, that was feeling that power level. That was enough to make me want to get a Scat. I had to get out of that RT. Got the red interior in there. That looked good, man. And what's crazy was I was looking at a 2014 SRT Charger before I got mine. It had the red interior as well, but yeah, it's a dope car, and they don't make these anymore. So hopefully she hold on to it. Definitely is rare here. She got the flake in her rims too, but not so many as Jamil. But it's nice subtle. It look good. It goes with the car very well. It'll be dope if she get the same paint into her car, but it's gonna cost a good grip. But yeah, this is a car that made me switch. And if I'm not mistaken, this trim here, yeah, that's 3M. Yep, 3M wrap on the calipers.
Yeah, hopefully the crazies have left the building. Yeah. Will you, sir, take care, and I'll see you on good old Sunday.
We need to find Car Wiki, aka Travis. He needs to let me see this key fob today. I wanna take that for a spin. But man, as much as I see this car, I just can't help but to look at it, take pictures of it every single time. I like this car a lot. Trying to figure out what we about to do. I think everyone's pretty much leaving, so I don't know if we're going to get something to eat, or I don't know. Melinda said something about going to the car wash, so still trying to get that going there. But yeah, that turned out real good, you know. And this definitely get some pictures later on, but I need to get some tire shine, clean them tires off. But yeah, it's a whole different car almost, man. I like how that looked. That came out good. But you know, honestly, I'm gonna put it on there. I'm gonna find a way to get it on there. But without that badge, it looks good. It's pretty clean. I don't mind it not being on there, but I went through the trouble of buying it and doing all this nonsense yesterday to get it on. I'm gonna definitely put that on there. Yeah, Melinda told me get some heavy duty 3M tape, and yeah, I can see what she did there. Yeah, we're gonna place it along this way. That look good. I love this car too. Fog lights, yeah, that look good. Just pop them on out.
The one that's in there pops out, pulls out, and then those just pop right in.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, we up at Five Guys.
I was so happy to get
in Brownsburg. You know what I want? I ain't been here in so long, but
No, you can get a single burger.
I got what's called the little, and it's like the size of a Big Mac. car looks really good. Wow. Nicely done.
So what? Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up, y'all. So as always, like, comment, subscribe to the video. I am tired, man. I went to sleep. I don't even know what time I went to sleep last night. It was just a long Saturday. Couldn't get to record it the way I wanted to because my phone was dying, my GoPro was dying. It was starting to rain, it was getting dark, and I had to get that bumper put back on. So a lot of it was kind of cut out, but I pretty much tried to get in bits and pieces there. So yeah, again, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share the videos there. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that notification bell button. And then down in the comments that y'all want to see. Like I said, I got some ideas and things I want to do, but it's pretty much just letting me know what y'all want to see. And I'll try to get that to y'all, you know, sometime in the year. But as always, it's your boy Bird Tom. Peace.